morning everyone, Carol here at Oak House Journals and happy Saturday, and I'm going to do the prize draw for this week. So we have this chart which is the Angel of Summer and this brand new one which was the Angel of Winter. So the first prize will be the Angel of Summer. I've got my URL already set up here and my duplicate comments filtered, and this prize, Angel of Summer, goes to Jen Lit Creations. Oh, thank you so much, Jen Lit. So, or Jen, this Angel of Summer is coming out to you. And for the next one, that one's going to Maggie Laird. And Maggie, she says, oh, absolutely beautiful, Carol. So Jen and Maggie, if you could please email me details in the description box down below. I will get these two kits out in the post to you. Massive congratulations. And to everybody that wasn't lucky this time, as always, I'm so sorry. There's another draw tomorrow, and then the following week there is another draw again, and I think we're more or less done with our charts and creations for the subby giveaways. So we have 2 more weeks, and then I will have another look round and see if I've got any more charts that I can offer. Actually, thinking about it, I had the one that was the part finished country cottage, didn't I? So that will be coming up as a prize for a 3rd week, and I'll see what else I can sort out. I'm sure I've got a few more, so we can carry on with this for just a little bit longer, and hopefully if you've not been lucky to date, this pesky random comment generator will be lucky for you. Have a fabulous weekend, everybody. Bye bye, take care.